Hey everyone, it's Keela and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you all how I created the avatar photo that you saw on the cover shot. So first I want to let you know that I am using MidJourney. I absolutely love MidJourney. It's really great for AI art, and I'm actually on discord.com because that's how you access the server in order to create your art. So what I first did was I uploaded a photo of myself. I actually uploaded 2 photos. So if you look at the bottom of the screen here, there's a plus button. I click this button, I hit upload a file, and I uploaded 2 pretty good shots of my face. I probably could have done a little bit better, but this is what they look like. So here's this one. This is my main profile photo, and then here's another one. So then what I did was I went up here at the top and I took a copy of the URL. Okay. So then once I had the URL addresses, I hit this / imagine. I copied in the first URL, then I did a space and I copied in the second URL. And then after that, I just gave a description of what the photo looked like, just trying to help MidJourney give me what it is I was looking for. So first I put in an age, and I'm actually not 40 years old, but just based on some of the photos that I was seeing, I just thought they looked a little too young. So I put in 40 years old, then I put in a black female. For some reason, it was giving me white females at first, so I put in a black female. I did also add smiling because I thought if I had a photo where it was smiling, it would look more like me. Then I had oval shaped face, big forehead. Let's just be honest, you have to give an accurate description of yourself. Some of the foreheads, I just felt like they were a little tight. So I put big forehead, almond shaped eyes, straight hair, middle part in the hair, black shirt, cartoon style, because I didn't want it to look like a real person. So I wanted it to look more like a cartoon. And then I put a portrait. So these are the options that I received. And if you do the count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is actually photo number 2. So because this was my favorite, I hit U2 to upscale that photo. And this is the photo that I received. And all I have to do is click on it, open it in a browser, and then I can go ahead and save that image. Now, does it look exactly like me? No, of course not. But I wanted something that at least resembled me a little bit. Similar hair, similar skin color, similar shirt color, smiling. So for me, I thought it was close enough. But I'll just show you all some of the other iterations that I had. Please don't feel like, oh, I'm trying and it doesn't look like me. You have to try multiple things in order to get a photo that you'll be happy with. Like here I had 35 years old. I kind of just changed the description around a little bit for some of them. Here I actually put in cartoon character. See, they just give you all kinds of different versions. Here I put in Pixar character. So these look a little different based on that direction that I gave it. But again, you have to just keep trying. I love this button here, the 2 arrows. This is a refresh button. So what it'll do is it'll just keep giving you new options. If there's one photo you like say I like number 1 here, I could do V1 and it'll give me different variations of that photo. But again, you have to just keep trying. Please don't think, oh, I'm going to get it on the first try. Here's one here where I had less of a description. So I learned to say, you know what, maybe let me be a little bit more specific. Okay. Here we are again with the Pixar character style, which they're really cute. I didn't think it looked anything like me, but they're super cute. And this one, it even gave me glasses. I don't know where the glasses came from. But it's fun. I love MidJourney. And here, see, with this, I was like, what is this? Why is it showing me a white woman? So that's when I started saying, okay, let's be a little bit more descriptive. But again, just play around with it, have fun, try to be as descriptive as possible. That's a huge help. And then hopefully you'll get a photo you're happy with. Thanks for watching.